I invited all of my dealers in my territory to attend a digital marketing and lead generation workshop. I am very uncomfortable with marketing. I don't know how to talk about it with my dealers, but the great thing about this workshop is that's the best place to be, because they take you from the ground level of not knowing anything and helping you, not only telling you what needs to be done, they sit down and help you get it done. So the other big point that I picked up is the websites and Google and all of that digital world is very overwhelming, and what's nice is they understand all the layers to it, and all the layers have to be addressed in order for you to become more marketable and for your phone to ring. So if you have the opportunity, please attend. You won't be disappointed.